Sean Diddy Combs speaks out in court with four-word message during sex crimes trial. On the seventh day of Sean Diddy Combs' sex trafficking trial, the rapper had a four-word message to the crowd seated inside the New York City courtroom where he was being tried. Sean Diddy Combs is speaking out amid his criminal trial. The rap mogul, who has pleaded not guilty to charges of sex trafficking, racketeering and transportation to engage in prostitution, verbally addressed those inside the New York City courtroom where he was being tried on May 20th. "I love you all," Combs said aloud as court adjourned for the day, before adding under his breath, "for people, yeah. Love." He went on to speak to a woman in the gallery, telling her in what appeared to be a reference to his 31-year-old son Justin Combs, "Please let Justin know I am thinking of him." But this was not Combs' first public declaration of love in his trial. As seen in courtroom sketches from his May 13th appearance, the 55-year-old made a heart gesture with his hands as he was led to his seat at the defense table. While Combs has yet to take the stand, several notable figures from his past have already testified in the proceeding, including ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura. In her testimony, Ventura said she participated in hundreds of sex parties known as freak-offs with hired escorts at the instruction of Combs. The Me singer said she would have to perform even when she was suffering from painful urinary tract infections, UTIs. Alleging that Combs threatened to release footage of her from the sexual encounters should she stop participating in them. "I would get sores on my tongue from the freak-offs from taking drugs," Ventura, 38, recounted in her testimony, according to NBC News, "from oral sex, also from having my mouth on things where there was oil and Astroglide and lubricants." Ventura ultimately left Combs in 2018 after more than a decade of dating. "It was always in the back of my mind that I would somehow be hurt by him," Ventura testified. "Sean is a really polarizing person. He was very charming. It was hard to decide in that moment when he was telling you what he wanted. I just didn't know what would happen."